Today, generations of tradition will be honored. The timing is perfect. It's harvest time. We might be biased, but at Starr Ranch, it's our favorite time of year. There's something special about being part of a family tradition dating back generations. The story of Starr Ranch started in 1934 as we became the first exporter of Washington apples. From the beginning, there was a pride in stewardship and reverence for fresh fruit. Today, that same tradition is complemented by a legacy of collaborative excellence and pride in innovation that has earned Starr Ranch a reputation of consistency and reliability. As a fruit producer, Starr Ranch offers a fully traceable crop, delivered through industry-leading growing and processing technology. With long-standing relationships with growers, Starr Ranch also sources fruit from the best growers in the best locations. With over 80 years of experience as a legacy fruit packer, Starr Ranch has created numerous efficiencies throughout the growing, packing, and shipping process with a focus on sustainability, while at the same time minimizing our environmental footprint. At Starr Ranch, we're proud of the unwavering dedication to deliver premium quality produce from the orchards to local retailers. We provide your family with the best farm fresh, healthy fruit possible. If you boil it down to what success looks like, you can find it in the simple things. The smile of a child, and a mom's trust in knowing she's getting fresh fruit for her family. Starr Ranch Growers. Premium fruit rooted in tradition.